Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to remove text from picture without remove the background using Canva. So guys, open your Canva on your device and click on the image and click on edit as you can see here. After that guys, click on the Magic Studio, click this option Magic Cursor. The Canva have this features guys on premium and it's worth it to use this Magic Cursor. Click this one, and after that guys you have a brush. Click on the brush and you can increase the size. Click the brush and as you can see here you can increase the size of the brush and click earth as you can see here guys, and select the text here you want to remove. And after that guys, select all the text as you can see here, and what you have to do guys, just click earth, this option, and wait to loading. This process will be complete a few seconds, and wait. As you can see here guys, this process not complete yet, and again write this process again as you can see here guys, and click this one, and the text will remove successfully without using the background. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.